Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. As you seen in the title, it's wash day and deep condition day. So this is what I use to wash my hair. As you see, my hair is already wrapped up because I just finished washing my hair. So the deep conditioner that we're using today is the Fenugreek. I think I'm pronouncing it right. But this is what it looks like right here. But yeah, y'all. So I highly recommend this deep conditioner. This is my first time using it, but this is what it is, y'all. This is the Sarad Naturals. So hopefully I'm pronouncing this correct. It's the fenugreek and fermented rice deep conditioner and Ayurvedic herbs. Okay, y'all, so this is my hair. As y'all know, I had just got out the shower. I mentioned it earlier in this video. So what I'm doing is I'm just taking my comb and I'm detangling all the knots that I think is in my hair that will prevent me from deep conditioning my hair to the best of what I want to do. So I'm just going through and combing out from the ends and working my way up to the roots to detangle my hair, to make sure everything is out. So yeah, that's what y'all see me doing. I'm just doing my whole head and then I'm gonna come back after. All right, y'all, so this is what it's looking like after it's poofed out, it's detangled. So now I'm going in with the fenugreek. I want y'all to actually see how this looks, y'all. This is real rich. Like, just look at it. Look at it. Like, you cannot go wrong at all with this. It smells, y'all. I really thought that sulfur 8 was in this ingredient. That's why you see me smiling, because I'm like, wow. But it's really just fermented rice water, fermented rice, fenugreek, ginger roots, shea butter, olive oil, honey, marshmallow roots, Ayurvedic herb blend, fragrance, essential oil, and preservative. So yeah, it's really good combinations of what our hair needs. It also mentioned at the bottom to, after you wash your hair, apply deep conditioner to your hair from root to end, massage it in your strands, cover with the conditioning cap and heat cap or under a hooded dryer to condition. And it also says leave it for 30 minutes. But what you see me doing right here is I'm taking my strand of my hair, sectioning it off. I'm putting the deep conditioner onto two of my fingers. I'm just rubbing it in and I'm blending it in. Y'all, what I did not do is I did not start from my root. Like, I felt like I did my roots, but I didn't do my roots to the best of my ability. So y'all keep that in mind when deep conditioning your hair. Make sure you get all in them roots. We do not want to play around with this. But yeah, y'all, look at it. Like, my hair looks popping. My curls are defined. I feel good. My hair feel amazing. So I highly recommend this fenugreek. It's an amazing deep conditioner, y'all. My hair do not feel dry at all. I mean, it just feel moisturized. Even now that I'm recording this voiceover for y'all and I just rinsed it out, my hair feels amazing. But anyway, yeah, y'all. So I'm just, letting y'all see close up and personal. If y'all haven't deep conditioned yet, I highly recommend deep conditioning. I feel like all our hair need is deep conditioning every now and again. So y'all, I just got a bonnet and a towel. I just heated up my towel. I put hot water and I just squeezed all the water out, because that's just all I have right now. So yeah, that's what y'all see me doing. Now I'm just putting a towel over my hair. I made sure I got the edges too, y'all, at the end. But yeah, y'all, I'm just putting the towel on. At this moment, I realized there's no way I can hold this up, so I had to think fast. So I just put a ponytail holder on it. And yeah, y'all. Yes. Now I'm just about to put my bonnet over the towel that's on my head. And then I'm going to just let it sit. I'm actually going to let it sit for 35 minutes instead of 30. Okay, y'all. Now, even though that I'm washing this out of my hair, y'all, I feel a tremendous difference within my hair. Like, usually after I wash my hair out, like after I condition, my hair sheds so bad. Like, it be a tub full of my hair. And y'all, after I deep condition, I can rarely even see any hair particles in the tub. I only got like a couple, which isn't as much. So y'all, Y'all need to deep condition. Like, I highly recommend, like, every week and a half or whenever you wash your hair, deep condition and see how your hair grows, because that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna keep tallies of it, and I'm gonna come back and let y'all know how it worked for me. So yeah, y'all, deep condition your hair. Y'all, this just feels so good, rinsing this stuff out my hair. My hair just feel brand new, honey. I just feel amazing. So yeah, that's all you see me doing right now. Making sure I get the edges, because I did put some on my edges before I wrapped it up. Also, y'all, I learned that how to grow your hair as well is you need to use cold water to wash your hair. So that's what I'm using. I use cool water when I wash my hair, rinse my hair, apply my oils to my scalp, all of that. I always use cold water first to do what I got to do. So that's just a cool little cute tip for y'all. But yeah, y'all, this is how my hair look, and it's washed out. I love it. Like, I love this product, y'all. I actually want a bigger bottle. But yeah, thank y'all so very much for watching. If this was helpful for you, just let me know. And yeah, until the next video.